Today a chapter of environment and development. How can we make our environment friendly? Please ask me this topic.
Ma'am, please tell us about the natural environment.
Good, we must know every effect of the environment. Natural environment includes all in the living and non-living land, lot, forest, minerals, a water, part of environment. Understand?
Ma'am,
Next.
ma'am, please tell us about the environment and development and what is the connection between them.
Good question. Environment and development are like the two wheels of the train. If any one of these two wheels is dysfunctional, the train will not move. Man cannot our development at the cost of his environment. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, please tell us how can we save our environment and natural resources.
Good question. It is necessary for everyone that maintaining balance between development and environment is more challenging and developing. We must take all effort to protect our environment and resources. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down.
How do natural resources damage during development and how can we make renewable natural resources?
Good question. Development has a serious problem. Deforestation and global warming, pollution, all the natural resources are not renewed, so these start leaking day by day. Understand? Next. Mr. Divyans, any question?
How does the pollution increase day by day? It is very serious issue and to human beings and control the pollution.
The pollution of the problem. The problem of the pollution has become very serious today because man has interfered much with the environment, which includes air, water, soil, noise have been polluted. Understand? Mr. Divyas, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down. Any girls student?
Yes, ma'am. How many kinds of pollution? Please tell us about more of them.
There are many kinds of the pollution, such as water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, all type of the pollution, and dangers for human beings. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Please ask.
What should government do to save environment, control the pollution?
Keeping in mind seriousness to say environment, the government of India has set up Department of Environment to control of the pollution. The people of the country should also cooperate with the government to solve this problem. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand any question?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, grandmother.
Come on, grandmother. दादी माँ, आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं तो कहो ना, संकोच क्यों कर रही हैं आप?
बहन जी, आपकी बात हमारे समझ में नहीं आई और जो यहाँ बैठे हैं शायद उनकी समझ में भी नहीं आई होगी। सबको अंग्रेजी नहीं आती।
दादी माँ, इन बच्चों को अंग्रेजी माध्यम से पढ़ाते हैं, इसलिए इन्हें अंग्रेजी माध्यम से पढ़ाना पड़ता है और ये तो समझ जाते हैं, लेकिन आप नहीं समझ पाती हैं। लगता है मुझे आपको हिंदी में ही समझाना पड़ेगा।
क्या करें, हमारे जमाने में अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ाई जाती थी अच्छा होगा जो आप हिंदी में समझा दें, यहाँ बैठे कुछ लोग भी समझ जाएंगे।
हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं, और ये बहुत काम की बात है हम सब के लिए। तो सुनिए, बचा लो